Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. With the back to school season just here, I've got something super exciting for you today. We'll be diving into the world of trading hairstyles. They are not only stunning but also quick to create, perfect for those busy school mornings. Alright, let's start with our first trading. I'm taking a small section, okay, of hair near the front, and I'll be using the threading tool, okay, and here I'll be using the yarn, okay, yarn wool. That's what I'll be using to do this style, okay. But first I had divided the hair into two, okay, in the first, started from the middle to the back, okay. Now I'm sectioning this part so I can begin trading. Don't forget to secure the other hair with rubber band. So to begin trading, I'm going to use 5 pieces of the yarn, okay, place it on top of the hair, natural hair, and begin trading. Now to close the gaps, okay, so you don't see the natural hair anywhere, you're going to trade, okay, close to each other. So you're trading close to each other, so wherever the previous one ends, the next one is going to begin from where that ends. I hope that is making sense. So trading behind each other, something like that. I hope this is making sense, but that's the best way I can say. But if you watch closer to the video, you will see exactly what I mean by that, okay. And of course, be sure to secure your the hair, okay, at the end of every braid, okay, secure or trading, secure it to avoid it unraveling, okay. Also, I apologize ahead of time. I lost some of the clips, okay, to this video, but I promise you everything you need for the most part is included, okay, to the video. I'm just going to repeat the same thing that I did with the first trading, okay. It's going to be the same thing for the whole head, so keep enjoying, and I hope you watch this video to the end, and I hope you enjoyed trading this style, okay. This was under an hour hairstyle, so this is a quick and easy hairstyle, also affordable, so you can't beat that, okay. So just so you know, okay, this is something that you need and you want to include, okay, on your list for some of the school hairstyles for your kids for this school year. All right, so enjoy it. All right, another thing I need to mention here is the first hair on this section needs to be longer than the rest of the hair. Okay, so the back one, this one that I'm sectioning right now, will be the shortest length, okay, of the braids. You'll see what I mean as we go along. So do the same thing on the left, and after you're done with both hair, okay, go ahead and crisscross the one on the right to the left and secure it with one of the braids on the left, and the one from the left secure it with one of the braids on the right. You're going to see the final result here. And there you have it. Thanks besties for joining me today. If you love this threading hairstyle, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, stay fabulous.